love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Happy 30th of September.
Now the song is appropriate.
Yeah, September.
Wake me up. Well, actually, no, don't wake me up. I'm already awake.
Yes, I will play that song.
But no, we're already awake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you are. I'm taking a nap.
That's what I thought. Jeez.
But it's the last day of September, and it's a refreshing day. Supposed to go up in the 80s, but we'll see.
Well, it's supposed to be 80 yesterday, and it didn't make it past 72.
Oh, okay.
It might. That's what I saw, but you know, it's like Phyllis Diller's face. It changes.
And we're just doing some errands. We don't see as many deer as we've seen yesterday jumping in front of us.
Might as well take advantage of the weather while we have it, right?
That's it. If the sun's out, we're going. We might have to put on our thermals, but we don't care.
Well, this seat is actually making my butt chilly.
Woo!
Because the air, like you said, this is an airflow seat cover, and it works.
Yes.
Because I can feel the airflow, like, woohoo!
Peter's going, thank you, airflow.
That's right.
So stay along, we don't know what we're going to see. We just want to get some riding while the weather is still good. So thanks for coming along, and don't forget to subscribe. And it's going to be a long winter, so you'll be able to watch all our videos from the beginning.
Absolutely. 3 years, bro.
He's got some foliage. Yeah, it's a pretty tree.
Not all is lost.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. We still have some foliage left in us. We didn't see much foliage yesterday, but
No. Maybe when you overlooked it, it was like nothing.
we got the sun's out, so it makes it pop out a little bit. Okay, we're done with our shopping. And we're going to try to hook up with Amy and Bob and surprise them at the toy store. They went to the toy store and they called up. We're in Holly's and Cranberry Mall. So now we're going to see if we can catch up to them and find them. If not, we go for a ride. Check out the rock.
Again. Yeah. I thought it was
We're in Franklin.
Franklin County? Franklin.
There's a Franklin. There's a
Franklin County, Franklin.
Franklin. Oh, yeah, pretty neat place.
Pretty neat place.
Yeah, with all the bumps. I think I gotta stay in this lane. But here's where we are. A lot of cool buildings and stuff. And we got a park.
Oh, Apple Fest.
Apple Fest. Just park in the middle of the road.
Gonna use his automatic parking. Barrow Civic Theater. Singing in the rain. Cool. I'm singing in the rain.
And I was gonna shut it off. Look at that. Okay, we went to meet Amy and Bob at Place Things. And
They went back to get the car, and now they're back on the bike. And I just picked her product up. I know that sounded like I was doing a deal. I just picked up her toys, and that sounded even worse. Her stuff for her granddaughter.
do they? Oh, okay. I almost said something. I go, whoa.
Okay, so now we're gonna meet him in Chicora somewhere. In passing, I don't know.
We'll track them down. It's a beautiful day out riding anyway. Yeah, I have 86 on the bike.
Yeah, it's warm.
So we did hit the 80s. But the 80s weren't as good as the 70s.
Yeah. And I guess tonight's gonna be in the lower 40 something.
Yeah.
Oh no, we're getting there.
But the last day of September is turning out beautiful. Ooh, that's pretty.
Pretty? It's supposed to be scary.
Okay, it's a pretty scary.
Okay, that helps.
Well, we're still putting around and we might see some more stuff. Oh, stay tuned. Oh, we just met up with Amy and Bob. And we went in and had lunch at Millertown in Chicora. We had a very nice lunch.
No, that was dinner.
Oh, okay. Lunch, dinner, breakfast.
Your blinker's on, and it is 4 o'clock, so I'm assuming that's dinner.
Okay. It was pretty good. For Pennsylvania, the fish was good.
It was big.
It was a big hunk of fish on a hoagie bun. Fish sandwich. Oh.
I had a quesadilla that was like 4 inches thick. Yeah, Amy had a chili dog, and the chili had some odd flavors to it. And Bob had a BLT.
And some chili.
And some chili.
So now
The other chili.
Yep. Now we're heading home. And Bob and Amy went a different way. So we'll meet up with them another day.
That's right.
Ooh, I'm a poet.
You are.
They went the other way and they're gonna meet up another day.
He liked it so much he just had to say it again.
Absolutely. I'm proud of myself.
And if you can see me now, I'm actually patting him on the helmet.
Ah! Oh, my head. So if we haven't thanked you already, thanks for watching, and thanks to all our subscribers and our new subscribers.
Yoo-hoo!
Thank you very much.
We appreciate everybody.
Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell and give us a thumbs up. Even give us a comment.
So we know that you liked it. You can comment and say, hey, that was great.
That was cool. And it's a beautiful view. We're not too far out of town. Almost home. On this beautiful day.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it did hit the 80s.
Yeah, we hit 82. At 10 of 5. Lovely. Okay.
Okay.
I got nothing else to say. Home sweet home. What a beautiful day for a ride, and thanks for coming along with us.
Yep.
We'll see what tomorrow brings.
Our door is open.
Ah. So Mr. D can get in.